Hey, it's Mark, the plumbing perfectionist. We're wrapping up another cottage mechanical room project here in sunny Wasaga Beach. Come check it out. So we have the hot water tank, brand spanking new 60 gallons electric. We have a massive pressure tank to hold all the well water. And our water's adventures begin here at our pump. Water comes in from the well, up into the pump, through our check valve, and then gets stored down in our pressure tank until we need it. And when we do, the water comes back out, it goes up. And it goes through our filter. We have a high capacity, high flow charcoal filter to make sure all the water is nice and clean. And after the filter, the water continues on. We have an air compressor so that we can blow the water out in the fall. And it's really easy. It just runs on a switch. Piece of cake. We have our hot water tank. And then the water continues down to the downstairs. And hot and cold to the upstairs. And if you notice, everything has a gentle slope downhill so that the water drains itself out of the pipes in the fall. And so this makes emptying the cottage so much easier when the plumbing drains itself. And our air compressor is to help us blow the water out of the parts of the house that we can't necessarily reach or correct with plumbing in the mechanical room. And so our hot and cold continues, and we have the garden hose, the shower, the sink, and the water to the back kitchen. And here we have the drainage valves, and from this point, when you open these, the system starts draining itself, starting from the upstairs, and everything will drain backwards through these valves, through this pipe. The hot water tank can drain out to the street in the fall. And all this piping up here all drains straight down, straight down, straight down, and out. And everything drains through here onto the street. So in the fall, there's no mess, there's no fuss. Air compressor, blast out the cottage, and you're good to go for the winter. And here we have our instructions from start to finish for the spring, for the summer, for the shutdown procedure in the fall, and even winter visits for when you just want to come up for Christmas or New Year's. and spend a little bit of time up at your cottage relaxing in the winter. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time on another cottage adventure.